Hello data lovers, it is Merdad. Welcome to my channel and the first episode of Azure Data Fundamentals, where we talk about data and data formats. So let's jump into the slides and see what this episode is having for us. So firstly, we need to understand what is data. Data is basically a collection of facts that is including the numbers, letters, words, or even some geographic information and whatever that can mean something to us and to the organization. And at the end of the day, they are going to be stored as binary in the hardware. So the other example of the data can be the status of an application or the address of someone, the billing address, the shipping address. So a collection of facts and statistics that are very important for organizations and also for personal use. This data is basically an organized entity. So if we go to a concept of an online shop, right? We will have some entities like customers, products, and sales orders. So each of these entities have a set of columns that we can just call them now attributes, entities attributes. For example, for customers, we can have name, address, and phone. So the data formats that we encounter with in our daily jobs, they can be uh, just put in the categories of structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. Let's check them and see which of them has what kind of characteristics. So for the structured data, it is a fixed schema. It means that it has fixed columns, let's say. For example, for a customer, we have name, last name, and phone. So it is going to be stored basically in tabular format. And we will have them mostly in the relational databases. Some examples can be customers and products. As I mentioned, for customers, as you can see, we have a column for name, a column for address, a column for phone, and the other examples can be in the bottom for products. As you can see, we have a fixed schema. So if we have another column uh, that applies only for some products, we have to add another column for everything, for every single record, but only will have data for those applicable ones. For the semi-structured data, we will have varied schema that maybe in one record we have a field which is not available in the second record. The data is basically going to be stored as text, and the common format is JSON format, and it is basically is going to be used in non-relational databases. So here I've got an example of a JSON format for list of customers, right? That you can see in the first node of this customer, we have name, address, and contact. And the contact, as you can see, it is an array of objects. But in the second one, we have two numbers for that customer. And the last category will be unstructured data, where there is no specific schema for that. And the data is going to be stored as file. And the files can be in the categories of documents, it can be image, audio file, video file, or even binary file. Thank you for watching this video, which was an explanation of data and data formats. In the next video, I will talk about the options for storing the data which is including the file storage and database storage. So until the next video, take care.